Hey, healthy secret family! We all know carrying extra weight can lead to problems like diabetes, high blood pressure, and even joint pain. But what if I told you one of the most powerful tools to support your weight loss journey is right in front of you? A simple glass of water. Yup, it's that powerful. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how water can help you lose weight, backed by science. So grab your glass and let's dive in. Water makes up around 65 to 70% of your body. But beyond just keeping you hydrated, water can actually help you burn fat, reduce cravings, and even flatten your belly. Here's how. Drinking water before meals fills your stomach and makes you feel fuller faster. Translation? You eat less. It's calorie-free, so every time you choose water instead of soda or juice, you're cutting down hundreds of calories. Drinking water has been shown to increase your metabolic rate, meaning your body burns more calories even while resting. And guess what? Drinking cold water forces your body to warm it up, which increases thermogenesis, a natural calorie-burning process. Pro tip: start your morning with a glass of cold water to give your metabolism a kickstart. Whether you're walking, lifting weights, or dancing in your living room, water keeps your energy up and helps deliver oxygen to your muscles. Hydrated muscles equal sign more endurance plus more fat burn. Love salty snacks or eat out often? Then you're probably holding on to excess water weight due to sodium. But here's the fix. Drinking more water actually helps your body release that extra fluid, reducing bloating and making you look leaner. Millions of people walk around with high blood sugar and don't even know it. Drinking water, especially after meals, helps your kidneys flush out extra glucose from your system, which supports weight control and overall health. Ever felt hungry when you just ate? That's usually your brain playing tricks on you. Often, you're just thirsty. So next time you feel a snack attack coming on, try a glass of water first. Fruits and veggies like cucumbers, watermelon, oranges, and spinach are packed with water. Eating these foods helps you stay hydrated and feel full longer, with very few calories. Aim for half your body weight in ounces per day. So if you weigh 160 pounds, shoot for at least 80 ounces of water. That's about 10 cups. Want a challenge? Add 1-2 extra cups a day and watch how your body changes. Here's a simple challenge for you. Start drinking 1 to 2 glasses of water about 5-10 minutes before each meal. You'll feel fuller, eat slower, and take in fewer calories without even trying. Water is powerful, but remember, eat clean, whole foods. Don't eat too close to bedtime. Move your body daily. Get quality sleep. And reduce stress, because high cortisol messes with your hunger hormones like ghrelin and leptin. Share this video with someone who needs a little motivation. Drop your questions or results in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss any of our weekly wellness secrets. Stay healthy, stay hydrated.